Hey, hopefully you had a chance to get that assignment done. So going through those questions, do you feel that you need to maybe work on more of the impact, the task, or the self part of teaching? And what does that even mean? Like, are you nervous about something? Are you excited about something? Is there something that you think you might be really great at already, or might be things that you're a little bit worried about? So I'm going to show you how to submit that discussion. So if we go back to our Canvas shell, and we're going to go to Chapter 1 Assignment. That's where we are. I'm going to change so a view it looks like Student View. So mine looks a little different than yours, but it should look the same now. So for instance, if you were going to turn in this assignment, this is how you would do it. You would hit Start Assignment. It's going to take a second. Once you start assignment, you have a choice to upload a file. So if you're going to type it all out and then upload it in a Word doc or a Google Doc, this is where you would do it. If you just want to type it out on the page and not pre-write it ahead of time, you would hit Text Entry. If you have a YouTube video that you want to submit, instead of typing it all out, you want to talk it all out, that's totally fine. And there's also a Media button. This is kind of the new button. So if you want to just pop a video into here and then just talk to me through video, that's completely fine. Know that because this is an assignment and not a discussion, that I am going to be the only person seeing your video. So don't feel bad about it. I mean, you're looking at my crappy videos, so I don't mind. Okay, but just as kind of a cool thing, if you didn't know how to do it, how you do it is you hit Media and then Record Upload. And it's going to ask for I've already done this before, so it's going to ask for your your webcam and your microphone and those things. I already have those set up. But because I'm already using the camera for another application right now, I'm not sure if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. I'm going to hit Start Recording. And you can kind of see that you can hear my voice, but you can't see my picture on this because I'm already using another camera. But you'd have a little picture right up here, and you'd hit Finish. And you can either save it or start over again. Doesn't matter. If you want to save it, then hit Save. And then it's going to go into the little thing right here. So that would be your assignment, how you're turning your assignment in. And then hit Submit Assignment. So you can do it a couple different ways. So discuss your findings. So what I want you to do is go through that assignment, figure out where you kind of land, what your score was, how you felt about it, and just kind of talk to me about what you're nervous about teaching, what concerns you, what were you having trouble with this assignment, what you learned from yourself. It doesn't have to be long. So you can either upload it right down here with a Word doc, Google Doc, whatever. You could text entry it. You could type it out right in here. That's totally fine. If you would rather chat with me and just do a quick YouTube video, then throw it in the URL. If you want to hit Media and submit that one, that's completely fine. And then however you turn that information into me, then hit Submit Assignment, and then I will get that assignment and get graded for you. All right. Hope that helped. Bye.